is important is first really to have the end picture in mind. The end picture in mind mean that before you cut the hair, you to know how that haircut is going to look like. So, for example, it's best to know that when you're speaking to the customer, I have a consultation and we show some pictures, and the customer, when they show you some picture, they will tell you that's how I want, and that's the picture. It will start, it be created in your mind, and then you start cutting the hair towards that picture. You have a skill and you know how to do it. So if you don't have a skill, then watch this video and I'm going to show you. So the haircut, we're going to go short to longer to forward, and that's how I'm going to do it. First, it's very easy to cut the back nice and straight. Make sure the client is not crossing the legs, because the body position is changing. So the head shape is nice and straight, and then make sure your hair is coming naturally down, nothing fall. First things first, just go one single clipper in the middle. When you cut that, now it's as easy now. This piece, that piece is left. So all you need to do, just go this, follow, and then exactly the same way, go this and follow. So you have a guideline now to follow both of them and to make it that nice shape. It's very easy. So middle, and then follow, and then follow. One. After you've done that, you have created the baseline. When the baseline is correct, and then the rest is going to start falling after each other. It's really much easier. Now, I each time take exactly the same amount of the hair. The thickness of the hair also is showing me that I can see the hair underneath it. If you can't see the hair underneath it, don't cut it, because you will go wrong. So make sure you always see the hair underneath it. The second thing, when you take in the opposite section, take it exactly same amount, same direction. That means each time both sides is exactly the same. If you want to make perfect bob haircut, both sides always should be same. So again, you do turn the hair down nicely. This haircut, it can be for beginners and it can be for advanced people. So take it wherever you want. Take it for advanced people or take it for beginners. It's good for both of them. Again, I can see my hair, guys. Look, my hair is here. One step. No, just slightly the head forward down, not too much. So I cut this part. Now I'll come my hair down again. How easy is that? Look, how easy is that? It's really, really, really easy. So you're taking this one, and now you can see, just like that. Follow, follow, follow. And now exactly the same. Follow. Now, the another things I would say is, any tools you have is your cutting tools. So sometimes people they say you can't use clippers, or you use the clippers. Use whatever you think you can do it nice, guys. Any cutting tools is cutting tools. So you use the scissors, you use the clippers. So if it's gonna make the hairs nice, doesn't matter. Now I take this hair down. It's very simple, very easy. As long as you see your guideline. As long as you see your guideline, it absolutely doesn't matter. So the thickness of the hair, as long as you see your guideline. Look at that. I bring the hair down, I can see my guideline. Again, simple. I can do this now, either with scissors or either with clippers, doesn't matter. I can see my guideline. I take it, bang, 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 bang. Look at that. I take it. My guideline. I take it. Simple. I don't know why people struggling to cut the hair where the things is very simple. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing. So, if you have any comment, if you want to have anything you like to know about this haircut now, and you want to say, do this way, do that way, can you do this different way, ask me a question and I help you. It's really important that you understand when you're cutting the hair. Now, if I come to the side, it's a simple look. Only this piece is left. So what you do, you just take one section from here, like this, comb the hair down. Comb the hair down. All you need to do now, take one small section from here, take it, and one small section from here. Bring this one down, down. Now, tap it here twice, and then just step, 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 step. Simple. Then take it the other one. Very natural fold, and then like that. And now you're taking this one, all done. Take the head slightly. Take half of the hair. Tap it gently. Look at that. Have you ever seen a haircut easy like that? No. Billy make the hair easy. Selamlar. Ramazan Arkan. Dostum, sevgili dostum. Teşekkür ediyorum. Sağ olun. Ben çok iyiyim. So the easy step, my job to make the haircut easy. I'll tell you one thing. You can be the best hairdresser in the world, but still you can have no clients, or you have little clients. So the potential is not just having good haircut, it's how to convince the client, or the client, they can see the haircut you're doing as well. That's very important. So not only you know what you cut in, the client, they should know what you cut in. That make your haircut more important. So make sure when you cut in the hair, the client can see the end result before you cutting it. Ramazan, sağ ol dostum. Now we go in the other side. Exactly the same way. We take it. One small section. Little bit angle. Bring this one down. Slightly. Taking one small section from here. Take one small section from there. All you need to do, whatever you did the other side, you do into this side. Simple as that. Bring this one down. If you want to, you bring this one down here. Make sure your hands, because the other side, your hands easily can go down. But when you come to this side, your hands is going lifting because your position of the scissors is changing. In the other side, your scissors coming here. Especially if you're right or left-handed, your hand position changing, your fingers is changing. For that reasons, if you need to, you have to sit down in the chair, or either you go and bend with scissors, or either you can do this way. Put your comb down, down, bring it down, again, nice. There we go. And then second one. Now I go for the second one. Take half of the hair. Take this half of the hair. Your guideline is there, you can see. Your guideline is there, you can see. It's very simple, guys. It's very, very, very simple. Absolutely very simple. Now you bring in this one. I can see here. Here. Now, what I will do, I will blow dry the hair. After I blow dry the hair, then I will give very soft texture to the hair. That's it, nothing else. It's really kind of simple step, and that's how you do it. As you could see, the whole hair, with my explanation, the way I have explained, everything is take less than 20 minutes. So, but sometimes people, they cut in this hair, it can take hours. The reasons for that, it takes a long time because you're just going backward, forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, and you're wasting time. But if you do the haircut from beginning, step by step and easy, trust me, you wouldn't come backward. Every time you cut, that's it, it's perfect. If I blow dry this hair, it's perfectly nice bob. But what it will happen, this bob haircut is just going to be kind of too thick. Then with shear scissors, you're going to be thinning out the end of the hair. It will be perfect. Simple as that. Thank you very much for watching.